Okay, so next topic is this break statement. We can use the break statement in order to come out of your loop. Means, let's say I have one while loop. Okay. And if someone, I want to print 1 to 10 number. Okay. So it will print you 1 to 10 number. Let's see the output. See, 1 to 10 number. So even though our conditions are 1 and less than 10, I just wanted to iterate this while loop 5 times. Okay, like this. If I is equal to is less than 5. If I is less than 5, then print this statement. Otherwise, break. Like this. Okay. So break statement will stop the execution of further iterations. So here what will happen? It will check. I less than 10? Yes. I less than 5? Yes. Print it. Again, I less than 10? Yes. 5? Yes. Print. 3, 4. And when it will become 5, I less than 10? Yes. But I less than 5? No. It will break. And once it is break, it will not execute the further statement like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Because we are using the break statement to break the execution of the current loop. So it will just print like this 1, 2, 3, 4. Why 1, 2, 3, 4? Because this condition is till 10, but this condition, because of this condition, it will only print 4 till 4, and then once it's become 5, it will break the execution of the current loop. So that is the use of your break keyword. So break keyword will help you to come out of the loop whenever you want to do on any specific condition. Okay, so let's check another one. While loop should be always true. Always go inside that until repeat. Same example with few lines we can do. Okay, while is equal to true. And then we will ask it, do you want to continue? Remember, yes. Bold. Continue. Is continue. Okay. Console dot read line. आपण जर y टाकलेला असेल, if is equal to y, then is continue will be true. Okay, so this is just a condition. No, convert dot to string. ओके, या ठिकाणी आपण प्रिंट करणार आणि जर कंटिन्यू करायचं नसेल, इफ नॉट कंटिन्यू, इफ इज नॉट कंटिन्यू देन ब्रेक. समजलं? आता बघा काय आयची व्हॅल्यू काय आहे 1. त्याला एंडिंग पॉइंट आहे का? इथं कुठे दिलंय का मी लेस दॅन 10, लेस दॅन 5, लेस दॅन 100, 1000 असं कुठे दिलेलं नाही. मी काय म्हणतोय, आयची व्हॅल्यू 1. ओके, हे ऑलवेज ट्रू असणार, व्हाईल मध्ये कंडिशनच नाही. मग त्याला 1 प्रिंट होणार, एकाचा 2 होणार, आणि मग विचारणार कंटिन्यू करायचं का? येस. येस म्हटला तर इज कंटिन्यू मध्ये ट्रू येणार. जर हा ट्रू नसेल तर ब्रेक कर, असेल तर परत तो 2 प्रिंट करणार. परत मी वाय म्हटलं 3 प्रिंट करणार, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 until I enter n here. There is no condition. Unconditional loop आहे, and only condition whenever you will add n here. N for no, If you add n, it will become false. If it is false, then this not operator will make it true. And if it is true, it will hit the break keyword and then it will come out of the this one while loop. So this is how you can use the break keyword. Let's check the output now. See, one print zala. Do you want to continue? Yes. Two print zala. Do you want to continue? Yes. Three print zala. Four print zala. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No condition. Until and unless you are not going to write no, it will always print the next number. Okay, no condition. But now I just wanted to stop this program. Do you want to continue? No. So matlab, this break keyword will help you come out of the loop. This is the another exit point of your loop. Okay, break keyword is another exit point of your loop. Okay, so this is the use of break keyword. In the same session, we are going to use next topic, that is continue statement. Okay, continue statement will use to skip some statement from the loop. Okay, like this. So let me just comment this program. Next topic is continue, how to use continue keyword. So let's say I want to print 1 to 10 numbers, but only odd numbers. Okay, only odd numbers I want to print. So for again same example, let me take from somewhere here. This one. And same is applicable for loop as well, right? Any loop, you can use break or continue keyword. I is equal to 1, I less than 10. Okay. If I divided by 2 and remainder is not 0. If it is not 0, then continue. So what will happen? If you use continue keyword here, then first of all, it will check. I is equal to 0. Yes. Sorry, 1. Yes. Less than 10. Yes. 1 divided by 2, 0. Not 0. Let's check it for 0. Is 0? Yes, it is 0. If 1, no, it is not 0. So that's why it will print 1 here. Okay. Now, I plus plus, it will become 2. 2 less than 10. Yes. 2 divided by 2, remainder is 0. Yes. So it will go inside this loop and hit the continue keyword. So continue keyword means it will not execute the further lines. It will directly continue here and will make it 3. In that case, it will not print the even numbers. Okay, it is reverse operation of the break keyword. Break means stop the loop, come out of the loop. Continue means stop the current iteration, go to the next iteration. Okay, continue means stop the current iteration. Break means stop the all iterations. So that is the only use. If you use the continue, it will not run or execute the further lines of the current iteration. It will directly go to the next, jump to the next iteration. You can see. So read key we need this time. See 13579. Why 13579? Because whenever this condition got satisfied for even numbers, we hit the continue keyword, and that's why it directly go to the next iteration without printing that number. Okay, so this is about the continue and breaking. Let me just stop the recording.